Hello friends, in this video I will give you the information about JEE Advanced 2024 eligibility criteria to apply. Many students they have appeared for JEE mains examination and got the results recently. Among the qualified students of JEE mains examination, the top 250,000 students were qualified to write the JEE Advanced examination. To write JEE Advanced, first they have to apply for JEE Advanced 2024. So to apply for this JEE Advanced, first the student has to check whether the student is eligible or not. For that, let us see the official website of JEE Advanced 2024 registration portal. In this, you can see information brochure is available. You should click on this one and download it and read carefully. This is the information brochure. In this, you can see all the information related to JEE Advanced examination. Here you can see this is the registration schedule. Important dates. The first one is direct registration begins for OCI, PIO and foreign candidates starts from April 16th, 2024 from 5 p.m. And the online registration begins for JEE main qualified students. Has been started from Saturday, April 27th, 2024. The online registration closes for all candidates. This is Tuesday, May 7th, 2024 up to 5 p.m. Next, last date for fee payment of candidates who have successfully uploaded required documents is May 10th, 2024 up to 5 p.m. Next, here you can see this is the schedule of JEE Advanced 2024 examination. The date of examination on May 26th, 2024 Sunday. Paper 1 in the morning session from 9 a.m. to 12 noon. Paper 2 starts from 2:30 p.m. to 5:30 p.m. Okay, this is the examination schedule of JEE Advanced 2024. Here you can see the eligibility criteria to apply for JEE Advanced 2024. There are different criteria. The first criteria is performance in JEE Main 2024. So based on the performance in the JEE Main examination, the students should be selected to write the JEE Advanced examination. Okay. So the first one is candidates should be among the top 250,000 successful candidates, including all categories. 250,000 means including general category, OBC, SC, ST, PH in BE BTech paper of JEE Main 2024. Next criteria 2, this is related to age limit. Candidates should have been born on or after October 1st, 1999. That is, the students, those who born on or after October 1st, 1999, those students only eligible to write this advanced examination. And the 5 years age relaxation is given to SC, ST and PWD candidates. That is, these kind of students should born on or after October 1st, 1994. These two category students only eligible to write this examination. Next, criterion 3. Number of attempts. Eligibility depends on number of attempts also. A candidate can attempt JEE Advanced examination maximum of 2 times in 2 consecutive years. That is, the student can write only 2 times in 2 consecutive years. Okay. Next, criterion 4. Appearance class 12th or equivalent examination. Class 12th means it is 12th standard, or equivalent means senior intermediate. A candidate should have appeared for the class 12th or equivalent second year intermediate examination for the first time in either 2023 or 2024 with physics, chemistry and mathematics as compulsory subjects. So these students only eligible to write this examination. Okay. Next, fifth criterion, admitted to a preparatory course. That is, candidates who have been admitted to a preparatory course in any of the IITs for the first time in 2023 can appear in JEE Advanced 2024. That is, if a candidate is admitted in any IIT institute to a preparatory course for 2023 academic year, that student also eligible to write this JEE Advanced 2024 examination. Next, performance in class 12th or equivalent board of examination for admission to IITs. This is very important. The candidates must satisfy at least one of the following 2 criteria with the physics, chemistry and mathematics as compulsory subjects in the year of first appearance in the class 12th or equivalent examination. So here there are 2 criteria. The student must satisfy at least one criterion to write this JEE Advanced examination with the physics, chemistry and mathematics as compulsory subjects the year of first appearance in the class 12th. Next, criterion 1 must passed class 12th or equivalent board examination with a minimum of 5 subjects. 5 subjects means physics, chemistry, mathematics and 2 languages. Okay. Next, secured aggregate marks. So the minimum qualifying marks for general category or OBC candidates should be 75% from all these 5 subjects, okay, including practicals. Next, for SC, ST and PWD candidates, the aggregate marks should be 65%, including practicals, okay. Here they are considering only 12th standard marks, not 11th standard marks or intermediate first year marks, okay. Suppose if the student is from diploma, then the student must pass the third year with the minimum number of 5 subjects and secured aggregate marks of 75% from third year diploma only, not from first year or second year, okay. They are considering only the final year score, okay. Next, criteria 2. According to criteria 2, must have passed class 12th or equivalent board examination with a minimum number of 5 subjects. This is as usual according to criteria 1. The second point says that be within the category wise category as per the central list. Top 20 percentile of successful candidates in their respective 12th standard or equivalent board examination. The students should secure either aggregate marks or they can get the percentile. Suppose if the student is having percentile, the student must be in top 20 percentile of successful candidates in their respective class 12th standard or intermediate second year board examination, okay. So out of these two criteria, at least one criteria should satisfy to write this JEE advanced examination, okay. Next one, who are not eligible to apply for JEE Advanced 2024 examination. The first category is candidates who had appeared in class 12th standard or equivalent examination for the first time in 2022 or earlier. Okay, these kind of students are not eligible to write this examination. Second category, in case the examination board of 12th standard or equivalent declared the results after the academic year 2021 to 22 before September 21-22, but the result of a particular candidate was withheld for whatever reason. These kind of students are also not eligible to write this examination. Third category, a candidate should not have been admitted to an IIT through JOSA 2023. JOSA 2023 means this is the counseling agency. This agency will conduct the counseling for IIT admission. So a candidate should not have been admitted to an IIT through JOSA 2023, that is last year, irrespective of whether or not the candidate continued in the program, accepted an IIT seat by reporting online or at a reporting center in the past. Candidates whose admission to IITs was cancelled for whatever reason after joining any IIT. That is, initially the student joined in a IIT, but unfortunately due to several reasons, suppose if the admission is cancelled, then those students are not eligible to write this JEE advanced examination to rejoin into IIT examination, to rejoin into IIT institutions. Okay. So these are the eligibility and not eligibility criteria to apply for JEE advanced examination. I hope you got the information about JEE advanced 2024 examination eligibility criteria to apply. So students, please check all these criteria to check whether you are eligible or not to apply for this examination. After that only you should apply within due date only. Okay. So if you are watching my videos first time, please subscribe to my channel. Here I am doing videos in two channels. The first channel name is All Exams Info. So in this channel, I am preparing videos in English only. There is another channel, Menlo Tutorials. In this channel, several videos are there. Several videos related to JEE 2024 and related to NEET also. Please subscribe to these two channels and please share these videos to your friends too. And if you have any doubt, please comment in a comment box. Definitely, I will try to answer your doubts. Okay. And I am running the paid Telegram group of related to NEET, CUET and JEE also. If you want any help regarding these online counselings, join through this link. Here I have given the same link. I will attach in the comment box and description box also. Here there are 3 plans to join this Telegram group. 300 rupees for 15 days. For 1 month, 600 rupees. Months, 3,500 rupees. So until your admission completes, definitely I will help you in all aspects. Even for paid counseling also, I am available to help you. So if you want help from my side, please contact through this Telegram group. Okay. The next video, I will explain you the complete process of online application filling for JEE Advanced 2024 in step by step. Okay. Thank you.